Hello, welcome to Triple Empire Agency, where we spill the tea on digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we'll be branding our digital marketing flyer template. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. So we will be doing designing in Canvas. Canvas do have a free one, and they also have a $12.99 one. So once you download your template, it will download as a PDF form. I like to open mine in Google Chrome, so I just click, drag, and drop. Once it open up, it will open, you will see your markup template, and it have the link to where you click to edit. Then it have information about YouTube tutorials, and then also Facebook support group. So we will click here to edit the template, and it will take you to this page of Canvas. You will click here to use template. Then it will take you to where you can edit the template. And you know you can edit the template because it will, wherever you click that you're able to edit, will highlight a purple box around it. So we're going to start off by deleting, add your photo. I'm going to change my background color to my branding color. And as you can see, when I change my branding color, you can't see the words. So I'm going to change my words to a different branding color. I'm going to use white. And also how the box spread out. I actually like my box where it's close. And you don't know if you're able to move anything that's to where you see how that means I cannot move it in and out, so that means I can't resize it. But if I click here, you're able to resize. So like here, as you see, you can move this, that means you can resize it. So we're gonna do that and scoot this over. And you know you have it in the center because you will see a purple line. Now, if you see a dotted line, that means you are centered with something else. And as you can see, it'll tell you what you centered to because it'll take the line to there. Now, when it give you the solid center lines, when you center with the paper, or with the, not the paper, well, the middle of the flyer. So we're also going to do the same thing with the bottom one. Now, if you like how the design is made in already together, but you don't like the wording, you always can change the wording. And so this, I like to bring down some. Here you will edit your website. I just highlight what I would like to change, and I'm just typing my website. Now, say your website shorter or longer, what you would do is make sure this is highlighted with the purple box around it. Go up to the 3 lines and the arrow, and you see it say spacing. So you are able to do letter spacing and line spacing. So you can do letter spacing, it'll either bring it close together or it'll separate. So now I'm going to add my photos of my product. Get that minute, guys. I don't want a little bit too far. Okay, we can use these. Okay, so I'm gonna click the photo I want and drag it and drop. Photo I want, drag and drop. Make sure you drop it in the one you would like. If you drop it on top of this, it will change it out. Now I did this like this so you can see the difference when you have something in the background compared to have a plain white background. Now, I prefer to have something in the background, designs in the background, than plain white, because as you can see, it make your product pop out more. And it also give your audience, clients, patients, customers a vision of how it will look. So if you would like for us to show you how to remove the white background to add a design in the background, just drop in a comment background and we'll get that video upload for you. But I like to have something in my background. So you see how it must look better? So say how you have this like this, but you want to make it bigger or sizer. So actually what I would do is group this so it can stay together and center and move down a little bit. And something else I can show you. Now you see how you get this purple box here in the middle? That just lets you know that's the very center of the flyer. So say I want to move this over some and I want to move this over some, but I want to make it bigger. And as you see, when you make it bigger, you click on it, grab the white dot, and move whichever direction you want to go. Any smaller, move out, just make it bigger. You can move down. You can also move this one like that. Just play with it. Sounds simple, but professional looking. And you did it in less than 3 minutes. So you're actually saving time on designing your flyer and actually marketing. A lot of y'all be doing marketing and don't even know it, which is considered organic marketing, which is still what you're doing is organic marketing. We're showing you how to market your business at a low cost. So now it's time to download. So you're gonna go up here to share, click to download. Then you want to download as a PNG. But if you click the arrow, you'll see different forms here, formats that you can download to. So say if I want to post my flyer, you will go back again, Michelle. So you go back to share, go down to the share on social. And as you can see, it has your links. You're able to connect any of your social media accounts to your canvas. You also can schedule. Saves you a lot of time. So basically you've been to design your template and did your marketing within less than 5 minutes. So if you guys would like more videos like this, drop in a comment more and we'll get some videos made for you guys. And also don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe.